After I graduated from Automotive Electrification, luckily I got a job at one of the biggest company in the UK called BP as an engineer. So basically sustainable automotive electrification helped me a lot about understanding the automotive industry, especially in the UK, because from where I'm from Indonesia, I need to learn something new, and sustainable automotive electrification has equipped me with a lot of information and knowledge about automotive, and throughout the course as well, we have a lot of visits throughout the factories, and also the alumni from Warwick University has helped me to get a job as well. And throughout my job right now, it's really helpful because what I learned during my study time, it is all basically like very supportive in understanding the basic fundamental of the knowledge to what I do as a work right now.